I typed this up today, and I just want to read it to you, and you'll see it in photograph also. But it is this. Thank you for bringing Consider Birds together in my mind. For the legacy of Grandma Marge. May this journey begin to unravel the threads that have been tightly tied in knots of anxiousness, worry, and endless striving that always felt not quite enough in my life, in some of my family members, and in all of those who interact with this material. May the knots loosen, untangle, and unleash each of us in freedom and in the abundant life and unforced rhythms of grace that you offer. May a legacy of grace fly forward on wings of gratitude, value, and love. This is my prayer for Consider Birds and the lives that it touches. Amen, Jesus. This is my prayer for all of you and for this class. I just wanted you to know that is my heart for you and for all of this material.